Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your WhatsApp notifications if you cannot see them in the notification bar. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So in the top menu, check that you have the DND mode deactivated. Now it's activated, so if you see something like that, the icon is blue, just switch it off. In the next step, if you still don't have alerts, go to the settings, open the apps, and choose manage apps. Then open the WhatsApp. Let's start from the permissions and check that you have SMS in the allowed. If not, just set it to the allow. In the next step, let's open the restrict data usage and turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go to the storage. Remember, before that, make the backup of your messages. Go to the clear all data and choose OK. If you still don't see your alerts, go to the settings, let's open the connection sharing and tap on the rest of Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the rest of the settings button and choose OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.